Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching from, and welcome to another video by the Market Maker SA. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are trading well, and welcome to another video. Before we continue, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell icon to be notified in case we drop another video. So today we'll be looking at some trades that we took today. More specifically, we're going to be looking at some trades that we took based on the lower time frame bias, lower time frame points of interest, and basically what the market showed us. So without further ado, let us begin. So most of the trades that we took today were trades that we took off the M15, M5, and 1 minute. And basically, I'm gonna explain to you the bias that I decided that I used, and what I saw for me to take this trade. So without further ado, let us begin. So of course, we're gonna start with the first one that we see right here, EURUSD. And I open the market, of course, because I'm gonna start from the higher time frame. So I open up the market, and I instantly indicated that market is going on an up phase. So that was something that, of course, first of all, I had to identify from the high time frame that where market is going, where's the bias on the high time frames. As you can see there, market broke significant structures on the high time frame as well, with that impulsive move to the upside. So in short, what I was looking for, especially with that break of structure right there, I knew market was gonna have to come back to retrace into a point of interest, and also having identified this a huge imbalance right here. I knew market had to come specifically to break to fill that area, especially with market being in a premium zone at the moment. You see right there, market is at an extreme premium zone where it is too expensive to buy. So then I had to identify why market would come fill this area, where would market specifically be targeting while feeling the imbalance. And I instantly identified this this order block right here on the H1. Now this order block right here is quite perfect because, as you see, market, of course, market coming into that area. First of all, the order block is positioned rightly in our discount zone and our 5061 golden zone. So instantly I identify that. And number two, of course, that being the downtrend order block and the imbalance. So those are three confluences that I had to basically give me confidence that market is gonna drop into a specific area and feel some imbalance and feel some orders. However, though, I also knew that movement to that downside is going to be quite slow. Market will take its time to drop to those areas because it's a retracement move. Nonetheless, though, if I went back to my H1, I saw market has areas that market needs to take out. Market started with this change of character right here that was taken out, but what made that change of character so interesting to me was if you drop down to your H5 even, you can see right there, market used that break of structure as a mitigation block. So instantly identified market is in an area of interest for me in terms of the mitigation block. So I decided to take the trade due to market being in the mitigation block. Hence, even if market goes against my direction a bit, I won't really need to take out the trade because market will enter into the even greater point of interest coupled with the mitigation block and drop into those areas that I expect market to take out. And at the moment, market is still dilly-dallying. Market is still going up and down in terms of the profit. But right now we are in profit, as you can see right now. But we'll see, like I said, it's gonna be a slow burn to the downside. It'll probably take a day or two. But yeah, as you can see on GBP, market is doing the same thing, drop into those areas on the M15. I couldn't take this one because I was kind of late. I was kind of late to the trade, but as you can see, market is dropping to significant areas, dropping to these areas where we expect market to then bounce off, as you can see right there. So very interesting stuff, if I should say so myself. Very interesting stuff for sure. As you can see, market is dropping there with extreme velocity at the moment. As you can see, they being coupled with each other. But yeah, the next trade that we took, we didn't really take a lot. I mean, look at that, NZUSD already dropping to significant areas. You see, we're late for that one too, unfortunately, but isn't that beautiful? You can see the market on the lower time frames coming into a down candle order block, up candle order block, coming there, touching it a bit and dropping into the mitigation block as well. Very nice stuff, coupled with our M formation right there on top, peak formation high. Obviously, this, I wouldn't say it's our high of the day at the moment, because market could then turn it around. But in terms of your targets for the morning, you could have targeted that or that. But yeah, you're gonna be alright. Then another trade that we took was on gold. Same thing with gold, same bias. I mean, on the H4, I identified, well, it was a bit of a harder trade to identify, but not really, because market broke significant structures right there, as you can see. These are all retracement moves. The moves in the market has been slow. It's been slow this week, this whole month. Trying to enter into it was a bit of a scam, and the only way you could do it was with retracement moves. So there's that. So in terms of what happened here, this one I actually shared it on our group chat. The market maker said to the guys. I will see if they took it or not. But yeah, as you see, I identified the break of structure right there. Because I identified market is going to an uptrend. Market is in an impulsive uptrend. So basically what I was looking for, of course I knew market was gonna come in and retrace back, closing some of that imbalance. I just had to go to the H, or this one I saw from the M15 actually, in terms of where market might retrace back. As you can see right there, with all that liquidity up there on top, market coming into that area and then rising up, that's where my take profit is right there. And then in terms of my point of interest where I took it, I entered seeing this very nice head and shoulders pattern. Break of structures, mitigation block, 2 mitigation blocks right there. Market enter into it. And this one, I think I caught it before market was about to explode down. You can see market is going there slowly. Like I said, these moves will take time for them to play out. But yeah, that's basically it. So right now, we're currently in profit at the moment. If I open up my toolbox, we'll see the trades right there. You can see right there, currently in profit. Nothing crazy, but yeah. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like. Oh, okay, we have one more trade that we have to look at, which is AUDJPY. This one is actually quite nice. I've been stalking it for a while, you know. Same thing, not necessarily the same thing, but uptrend of course. But this one gave us a very nice peak formation high right there on top. Jump to the H1, as you see right there. That was an period of time when I was looking at it. Market came into that order block right there, dropping. The market coming back, retracing into this imbalance zone. Obviously, this imbalance zone, we are using it as a H2 fair value gap right there. You can see market right now is going to our targets slowly, but market is heading to our targets. So currently all the trades are in profit. And we'll see how they play out. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon to be notified in case we drop another video. Thank you.